Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. All the fuses you will be checking will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel behind this black cover. So you want to gently pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and in the bottom left corner of the fuse box this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. The first fuse you will check is fuse number 46, which is this 5 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the main power window switch in the driver door. And now the other fuses you want to check will be this 20 amp fuse located down here. This should be the front power windows, and you still want to check these two in the top right corner, 30 amp and 20 amp. So you have total of 4 fuses actually. So this 5 amp, this 20 amp, this 30 amp and this 20 amp. I'm looking at the fuse box diagram and I cannot say 100% which fuse is responsible for power to which power window, so the best idea, just check those 4 fuses in case your power windows are not working. Then in case all of these fuses are good, then you want to test the switch itself. You want to test the power window motor and the wiring from the switches to the motors and things like that. But first things first, always check the fuses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.